guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs.
Can you dig it?
There you go.
I got it.
There you go.
Dang it, boy. That boy got a big forehead, man. Y'all guys see that, man? That boy look like that boy look like alien.
I told you,
Look at that forehead.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Damn, let me back the camera up.
Boy, gonna get you. We're gonna get you. Now, today we're gonna be showing you all how to basically diagnose a 2011 Nissan Maxima. Customer complaint is, as she's driving, she hear a clicking sound or whatever. So we're gonna diagnose that, take a ride, and we'll be right back. All right, everybody, we're back. As far as customer complaint as of clicking, no, we wasn't able to hear a click, but we did know we had a slight roar when we turned the wheel certain ways. After we turn the wheel a certain way hard, then yes, you'll hear a real loud rumble or roar. So,
now, guys and girls, it's definitely important to make sure, like, have somebody on the passenger side so you can pretty much tell which side is coming from, left or right. Because if not, it's going to sound like it's coming from the front of the car. So, and Billy Bob heard it from his side.
that's right. So as he made a left turn, you hear the wheel turn, it roars. It's because a wheel.
No, man, I ain't making no left turn. I ain't making no left turn.
Man, you swayed to the left.
Sway to the left. Don't tell them left turn, man. I mean, I sway. A little bit of sway, left and right, to see which side the noise comes on. Go ahead.
Now I'm getting ready to get you now. I got this. Now, it's different situations or different ways that a wheel burn basically operates. A wheel burn is to actually sit still in one place where your tire's supposed to be flat on the ground. But as you turn or wear out a wheel burn, it leans left and right. I mean, you just go this way. So, we're going to jack the car up. We're going to basically find out what's going on with this vehicle. I'm betting it's a wheel burn. What about you, Wayne Head?
I don't know, man. I don't know. We're going to jack it up. We're going to take the whole front end out and see what we feel.
It might be a tie-in ride.
It could be a tie ride. I don't know, right? We're going to take it out. We're going to find out. All right. We'll be right back. All right, guys and girls. What I got here, I put my jack up under there. And what I did, you can see, I put it up under the chassis of the vehicle. And what I want to do here is got me a piece of cardboard to lean on. I'm going to jack this up till I get that tire off the ground.
So did you see that? See, if you on video camera the car and you were recording that tire, you'd have seen it when you got it up to a certain point, it wobbled and leaned.
Man, shut up, man.
See, that's why I'm supposed to have the camera.
No, man. You are a super tech. You are a super tech in training. So go ahead, man.
I wish like here you do call me a backyard mechanic.
All right.
Think that.
So now, explain to them what you're doing.
Oh, okay. All right. What I basically want to do is, because of the fact that I was on the passenger side, I heard the roof on this side. What I want to do is basically put one hand on the top of the wheel. Well, I guess there's no need to do that.
Yeah, you see how that tire is moving?
The correct way to actually do this, I mean, because evidently you know this thing got to be some kind of bad for me to do it like this. You're supposed to put one hand on top, make sure you got something up under the car, because you really don't want to put your hand up under the car, come down. But I'm gonna just grab the spoke, and that would be a correct way of doing that.
Now, guys, what we're gonna do, me and you, while he's doing that, while Billy Bob doing that, we're gonna try to get up under the car, and we're gonna see if we can see what is that moving here. Okay, go ahead. Okay, you're going left to right.
Tie in ride good.
Now, see, guys, what we're doing is looking at the tie rod in back there. Do me a favor, Billy Bob. Reach your hand in back there and touch the tie rod so they can know where the tie rod is. Now, see that right there, what he's touching, that's the tie rod. Now, what we're going to be looking for while he's shaking it side to side, we're going to see if there's any play in the joint. All right, go ahead. No. All right. Now we're gonna go up and down and you're checking the play on the bearing. Now the play on the bearing is gonna be right here where the axle is. And we wanna watch any kind of movement in there. Oh yeah, you see that, guys? Let me make sure let me get it. Hold on, let me make sure I get in there. All right, do that again. Oh yeah, that bearing is shot. All right, so we got a bad bearing on the right side. Now what we're gonna do is jack up the car on the left side and see how that is. We'll be right back. All right, guys and girls, here we are. We're on the left side right now, and I got the jack right up under the chassis, right over there. We're gonna pick this car up till we get the wheel off the ground.
Oh, that one good. This one here is perfectly fine.
Okay. Let's see.
Perfectly fine.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Let me wipe this camera off. Be right back. All right, we're good.
All right. Give it a go left to right. Take notice the whole wheel actually turns. So they let me know my tie-in ride is good. Now I'm gonna go up and down.
Oh, that ain't moving at all.
None. So
And
you know.
again, just like Billy Bob said, if you try this, make sure you grab it by the rim on the bottom part. You do not want your fingers up under there unless you jack it and put a jack stand up under it.
Yep.
Other than that, grab by the rim. If you can't grab by the rim, you best be jacking and put a jack stand up under it.
Or if you don't have a jack stand, if you can, just, you know, find a good groove on the side of that tire. You never want to put your hand at the bottom of that tire. Come down, you might be 4 fingers short.
Call them thumb.
Yeah, call them thumb. Go 2 thumb. But hey, it happens.
Call 8 fingers and a thumb.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you.
No, that's 6. That's 5 fingers and a thumb.
Yeah.
All right, guys and girls, there you have it. How to diagnose front end noise 2011 Nissan Maxima. And again, as Billy Bob said, when you're going down the road, if you just veer to the left and to the right, and you can hear that noise change, and you can pretty much tell which side it's coming from. And this thing comes as a whole hub assembly. Sometimes you got to get the wheel bearing, you got to press it in and out, and all that, a bunch of mess. This one comes as the whole assembly. So we're gonna set that up and try to get this done. All right, any kind of questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below, or you can email me at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Guys and girls, this is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it,
Nobody can.
say it louder, man, so they can hear it.
Nobody can.
There you go. Take it easy.
Talking about taking it.
I knew you was up to something.
With a head like that, he ought to be smart. Look at y'all. Zoom in on that melon. Good God,
Oh, man.
I tell you, I'm gonna get you, man.
Hey,